Alright, hello you guys and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I have a really exciting video planned for today and it's going to be something a little different. We're going to be testing out a few very viral makeup trends that you guys have probably seen. If you keep up with the beauty community, you've probably seen these trends be done before. A lot of these are like clickbaity trends that people do just to get views. So I thought I would mix them all together and see how many views I could get and how many trends I could do in one video. Actually, before we get started, since we're talking about trends, can we just okay, this is a really bad spike job, but I've been obsessed with spike hair lately. Can we just bring this trend back? I know that this trend died with the Backstreet Boys, but I really dig the spiky hair. I think it looks really cool. So anyways, I'm going to be trying out as many viral makeup trends as I can. I'm going to see how many I could do in one video. And yeah, I actually kind of like these trends. I think they're fun to do. I think they're different. I don't think they're like good for everyday wear, but they're fun to do, just to do. So enough talking for the intro. This is probably going to take very long anyway, so let's just jump right into it. I already applied primer. I was going to try out the using lube as a primer, but I didn't want to fuck up my skin, so I did not try that. So I am just going to go straight in with the foundation. One of the makeup trends I've seen recently, which is like really crazy, is you take a condom and you apply it over your beauty blender and blend out your makeup with it. It's a dry beauty blender. I don't think I need to wet it because, I mean, it's going to be inside of a condom, so we're just going to apply that. Yes, sex ed. This is so weird. So let's just apply some foundation on there. I don't even know if this foundation is my shade, but so like I normally do, I just dot it everywhere first. This, I could smell the condom and it smells so gross. I hate the smell of condoms. I hate the smell of latex. And I don't think this is doing much. It's not soaking up any of my products, so that's good. It keeps slipping. It's slipping out of my hand. Okay, so I think I blended it as much as I can. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's very streaky. If you're gonna use the beauty blender inside of the condom, I actually prefer the beauty blender instead of like latex or some kind of like rubbery product. I don't know what the point of this is. I think it was to not absorb as much product, because I mean there's not really very much product left on this. So here we have my foundation blended out with a condom, and I think I'm just gonna stick to the regular beauty blender. Alright, so the next one we're going to do is we are going to cover our entire face in setting powder, and then we are going to dip our face into a bowl with water in it. And I guess it's supposed to like help your makeup last longer. It's supposed to work like a setting powder in a way, but better. And so I have a bowl here filled with water. So I have a second angle here, and it will show you guys when I dip my face in the water. But first we're just going to cover our entire face with air spun. I don't remember if you're supposed to wipe this off first or leave it on and then dip your face in the water. So I'm just going to look that up really fast. Alright, so I applied the setting powder all over and I'm just going to dump my face in the bowl. Alright, so are we ready? My hair. Okay, so now what? My face is very white. I don't know why that is. Alright, so I just dried my face, and I mean, I think the foundation looks really smooth. It looks really good. You can see the difference right here from where the water went to where the water didn't touch. But honestly, I don't think I would use this on a daily basis because I feel like it's a lot of work, and also I feel like my whole point of using a powder to set my face is to be able to put powder products on top of it. Do you see that? As it's starting to dry, you can see where the powder was. Like, I still have some powder right here, and I have, like, powder right here that you could see. So I think I'm going to give this beauty hack a thumbs down as well. Alright, so the next one that we're going to do is using really weird objects to contour with. So I have a heel. This is Thomas's brand new high heels, and I'm just going to do this. Just gonna blend that out a little bit. Okay, so contour done. Oh, brows. Brows were really big last year. So I had a really hard time deciding which brows I want to do. So I think I went with the two most popular ones, which were the fishtail brow and also the squiggly brow. I'm going to be taking the Precisely My Brow by Benefit and just start my squiggly shape. So that looks really bad, but that's as good as we're gonna get. So the next one we're gonna do is the fishtail brow, and this one is a little more like complicated. So there's my fishtail brow, and there is my squiggly brow. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you love my brows. So the next one we're going to be doing is, there is this trend called the carved brows, where it's like a little bit of concealer in between the brow and some shadow. And I think I'm gonna do that today. I'll be using the Kat Von D's Mi Vida Loca. Three eyebrow trends in one. So I have the fishtail brow, I have the carved brow, and I have the squiggly brow right here. We are going to be doing the reversed wing, and that is where instead of putting the wing right here, you actually put the wing on the inside. So far, so good. So we're gonna do eyeshadow, and something that has been very trendy lately is the glossy eye. And I'm just going to apply that here and blending that out with my finger. And to make it even more glossy, we're gonna be going in with the Milk Makeup Face Gloss. I love this stuff. Alright, so there we have our glossy eyes. Next, we're going to be doing freckles. Oh, those are dark. Okay. So really just go crazy. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, so freckles is done. So the next beauty trend we're going to be doing is the makeup on the ears. This is something that started on the runway, and it was started back in like 2014. Alright, so there we go. Ears are done. Now moving on to the next one. So the next trend that we're going to be trying is the nude eyelashes, and this is just where instead of like using a black mascara, you use a foundation colored mascara or like a nude color. So I'm going to do some colored mascara on the bottom lashes. Alright, so we have purple mascara on the bottom lashes and nude eyelashes on the top. Okay, so this next one is very big, and I'm kind of scared to do this because I have like a really huge fear of glitter getting in my eyes, but that is glitter roots, so I'm just gonna brush my hair back a little bit. This is gonna get everywhere. I'm so scared. Well, I totally missed my hair and it went straight onto the table. So I hope that the camera picks this up, but I applied like a shitload of glitter into my hair. So moving on to the next viral beauty trend, we're going to be trying out the Lollipop lips. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but I think they look really cool. And so I guess the whole point of this is to look like you were eating a lollipop or something and it got on the outside of your mouth. Hence the name. So taking a red eyeshadow, we're just going to dip our brush in there and then bring it around the outside of the lips. And to give it some more dimension, we are going to put a darker red in the center. Lip gloss. Alright, so we're almost near the end, and I just want to top this whole thing off with a trend that is really silly, I think. But I'm going to be taking these black magic lashes, and these are actually really pretty lashes, and it makes me sad to use these, but I actually like ripped a piece off on accident. Basically what you do is you take them and you kind of like curl it and just stick it up your nose. And so now you have nose hair extensions. What do you think? And last but not least, to top this whole entire thing off, we're going to be trying a trend that left the whole world shook. And I love glitter, so I'm just gonna try it. And that is the glitter tongue. Oh, sorry, my nose hairs are falling out. Nose hair malfunction, sorry. All right, so we're gonna be doing the glitter tongue. I am going to be leaning over this bowl and just, okay, ready? 1, 2. Aha, bitch, you thought. No, I think this trend is so stupid and dangerous. Please never try the glitter on the tongue beauty trend. Very dangerous, and it gets inside your body, and like it's a whole mess. You could do research on it and they'll tell you why. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think the craziest beauty trend of all time is in the comments below. And also let me know which of these beauty trends that you've tried before and if you like them or if you think that they were really useful and helpful. This week's shout out goes out to Felipe Cantador. Thank you so much, Felipe, for watching and being part of the notification squad. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it was fun to watch. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.